Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to customize iPhone Control Center in iOS 18. In iOS 18, you can fully customize the iPhone Control Center by swiping down from the top right. Right? You can tap the plus button in the top left. Sorry. Now, what I'm going to do, I can add, resize, or rearrange controls across multiple pages. So I can move this to the left. Okay, maybe I want to remove this one and add something else by hitting add control. So I'm gonna choose voice memo and I want to locate it somewhere here. And I want to remove the screen mirror, for example, and add something else like let's say flashlight. And I want this to be close here. If you want to add more, you can just go ahead and add more control center. That includes also music. If you see the right side panel, you can see music, home, Wi-Fi or cellular data, and something else if you want to add more than that. Right? Maybe you have something else in mind. So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and this allows you to add third-party apps control, create dedicated pages for music or connectivity, and remove any default toggles you don't feel like using. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you.